Mr. 300C in the place to be, baby. We out here in the garage, y'all. We gotta do some maintenance on the 300. So anyway, car over here chilling. We got some maintenance we gotta take care of. So with having a 17-year-old car, you're gonna get a lot of scratches, nicks, dings, rock chips, you name it. It's just inevitable. Can't really avoid it. It happens. So just want to show you guys what I'm going to work on today. So the first thing is I want to cover up some curb rash that I have. So I have some here, as you can see. I got a scratch right here. That is from dropping my laptop, leaving work, and I caught it, so it didn't hit the ground, but it hit the car. So I'm gonna have to plasti dip that over again, which is super easy, a little touch up. I won't do that in this video. As we continue, curb rash, but I think this one's my fault because I take my car to the automatic car wash, which is a big no-no. I know, I just like the convenience of it. So I got this bad boy here. I got that little piece right there. And then there's another part somewhere. Oh, right there. Gonna cover up. So I can't forget about that one. Okay, so we got that part. And on this wheel, we have here little small scratches there. This is the one I think wifey did. She denied it, but I get my tires rotated all the time. This used to be in the front wheel, but yeah, she did that one. I know she did, so we'll cover that one up. And then this, I don't know who did that. They took that bad boy clean off. Could be the kids, could be just the car who parked next to me, but we'll get that covered up too. And that wheel's fine, no issues there. So I have two products which I will be using. This is the wheel touch-up paint. I got this on Amazon. It's a gloss black, so this will do the job. And then I also have this I got from AutoZone. Matches your color, and it has clear coat and actually the color of the car, as you can see right there. That's what I'll be using. So let's get to it. All right, we're gonna take care of this little chip in the fender well, or fender, I should say. First thing first, get some rubbing alcohol and wipe up the area. We'll just wipe this area really quick. It's good to do these scratch repairs because over time, if you don't take care of it, it'll start to rust and then they'll just eat up into the paint and clear coat. So it's good to take care of it. I'm not looking for perfection, I just want to cover it up. So if it's not perfect, it's fine. As long as it's covered up, then it's not going to be an eyesore to me. So, all right. So we got this bad boy, and you have this abrasive tip, and you're supposed to go around and scratch some of the edges a little bit, just to make sure it's smooth. This kind of feels like a sandpaper almost, but it's really hard. So I'm just smoothing out the edges. Any little chips in here. All right, so that's smooth. We'll wipe that off again. So the top part is the paint color, and then this is the clear coat. So you turn it up this way, and then paint it on like a nail brush. Take some of the extra off. Again, it's not gonna be perfect. My strokes ain't that good, but we're gonna let that dry for a little bit. Actually, I'm gonna let it dry for 30 minutes. I'm gonna move over to the wheels, get that situated. So we'll let it do its thing, then we'll come back. All right, this one's a smaller job, so I got my microfiber cloth. Gonna wipe off everything, get all the grease and wax off here. Ooh, look at that thing coming right off. All right, so now I can start to paint on here. And I'll cover that up and let it dry. That stuff smells strong, man. Woo! All right, I don't need that much, just a little bit. And depending on the scratches, you can put more coats on there. I'm just gonna try a first coat. No, I suck at this. It's all good. I should go practice painting my daughter's fingernails. All right, that's good enough. Maybe I'll do another coat, but I'm gonna let that dry and go to the next one. All right, this is the big one right here. That's the one I really wanted to do. Get my rubbing alcohol, and you guys watching this video, I'm not the best at this kind of stuff. I just do enough to make sure I'm happy. This is not the forever car, so I'm fine with little imperfections, but this has been an eyesore for me. So clean that one up. Clean that one up. All right, I think that's it. Let's get to it. All right, here we go. This stuff smells strong. I know it's gonna be a little clumpy, but again, it's fine with me. I just want to cover these up. When you have your car, you know where all your imperfections are, but most other people won't even notice this is here. This was a pretty bad curb rash. Pretty deep too. All right, let's knock these out real quick. This little chip joint, that's still black, but I'll cover it up a little bit. And of course you can let it dry, and once it cure after like a week or so, you can sand it and all that, but I'm not gonna do all that. All right, first layer done. Look, I can't even see where it is. It's like, nah, I know where it is, but it looks better. I don't think I'll do 2 coats. I'll just let it be. Let that dry. And then this one, you can see the damage, but at least it's covered in, it's not silver. You can see the metal. Yeah, we'll just let those dry. I think I'm done with that. All right, back to the chip on the fender. I think 30 minutes has happened already. So I'll put some clear coat on that and we'll be good. It'll be shiny, so it might stand out a little bit when you're looking at it, but from a distance, like, you're not gonna know it's there. I know where all the imperfections are, of course, it's my car, but at least it's better and I don't have that eyesore. All right, let's put the clear coat on. Clear coat. I'll just cover it. One little blop blop. All right. All right, it's not smooth as I want, but again, I don't care. I just want this to be covered so it doesn't rust or whatever. So, woo, it's hot, man. I'm sweating too much. So there you go. A little light maintenance on the 300. Not perfect, no worries. My car do with the flip I want. No. All right, yo, thanks for watching. Let me know if you got any questions. If you guys do use my video as an example and you want to make it more perfect and seamless, then don't do what I did. But this is just a quick one. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.